Hi, very good afternoon to you. Welcome to another Currencies Direct Sterling Euro weekly podcast update. With me, Keith Spittlenik. Today is Friday, the 8th of April. Well, Sterling Euro trading at 113.48, so we are a little bit lower than where we were this time yesterday. This week, really, it's been all about interest rate decisions, really, with yesterday being the first Thursday of the month. First, we had the interest rate decision coming out from the Bank of England. Now, there was no expectation in the market, really, that anything would happen, and lo and behold, nothing really did. The Bank of England held rates, as we all know, still at 0.5%. And after the Bank of England, we also had the euro interest rate coming out from the European Central Bank. Now, they raised rates as expected, as was expected, by 25 basis points. So we're now sitting at 1.25%. The first raise, in fact, for 3 years. Jean-Claude Trichet tended to emphasise the fact that he is responsible for 331 million people across the Eurozone as a whole in the bid to really justify the interest rate raise. Many in the city now do feel that we could be at the very beginning of a cycle of euro rate increases, although I would say Jean-Claude Trichet again was quick to deny it. But as always, it's likely to keep sterling, unfortunately, on the back foot for now. The decisions themselves, well, we had no real market reaction to it. Everything had really already been priced into the market prior to the rate decisions. This morning, we have had some fairly positive data for sterling come out. PPI came in a lot stronger than expected, which has pushed sterling marginally higher across the board. Again, this could put pressure on the Bank of England to increase interest rates. We will certainly know more in 2 weeks' time when they release the minutes from yesterday's interest rate decision. So we'll know more then as to whether the UK will or will not take the plunge and increase its interest rates. Portugal now Portugal's now the third Eurozone economy to receive a bailout package. This is undoubtedly going to shift the focus over to Spain, and although Spain has been very, very quick to deny the threat of contagion, the question really is, do the markets believe them? For now, though, all the talks are really about Portugal. How much is the bailout going to be? Who's going to negotiate it? And of course, when an agreement can at least be reached. So at present, though, it does seem investors are at least willing to give euro the benefit of the doubt, trading at 113.41 against sterling. That's all from me for this week. Thanks for tuning in. As always, check us out next week.